This is the elevator to the UPMC McKeesport Community Health Outreach Center at Tower C, I believe, at the Homestead Apartments in Homestead, Pennsylvania. This is a Schindler 330A elevator with HD fixtures and low-pitch chimes. Case 590's elevator. The rear door does not have any chimes though. We'll go down the ground, which is for the lobby. I'll check the interlock when I'm finished filming these. Here we go down. Basic elevator, except for the low-pitch chimes. Here at ground. For some strange reason, I had a feeling this elevator had low-pitch chimes. Don't know why, but I do. I did. Takes forever to level. We'll go back up to 1. Pretty basic fake wood grain cab. Maybe not grain. That's where it should be. It has a very loud motor here up. Fairly short distance here at 1. Arrow that up for a second. Now we'll go down the lobby and end. And I'll show you the chime down here doesn't work. Here at lobby. This floor has the fire service, but 1 has the star. And again, this is 330A because it has 2 sets of doors, not 321A. Now I'll send you up to 1 just to demonstrate. See, yeah, the chime over here doesn't work. Here it goes, and that's going to be it.